and also your electronic devices, you make your words. And remember, never stand up and never put your hand outside the boat because it's quite dangerous outside. First of all, look at there. Can you see what is there hiding under the house? Crocodile. Yes, there's a crocodile hiding there. Actually, up there is the Tarzan tree house, and then live Tarzan and his girlfriend Jane. So you can go up there, taking that raft, and it will take you to the tree house. The neighbors swim across the river. He haven't had lunch for a few days, so if you swim across the river, he will probably bite you. Actually, in the past, can you see there is a fishing pole behind that stone? No? Yeah, there. Yes, that's good. In the past, there was a man fishing over there. But then after the crocodile came out, I've never seen him again. So be careful. Yeah, you can see that his stuff is still here, but the venom is missing. So be careful, okay? Okay, so we... Okay, maybe let's say hello to them, okay? Hello! Hello! Yeah, wait to the other side. Hello! Okay, we're now off the way to the world's longest river, and this river running across 4,000 miles. So we see many animals inside the jungle. There's the two elephants, and it seems to be the mother elephant and her baby. It's okay, she's teaching him how to use his trunk, but he's still small, so he don't know how to speak. But if you want to see it bigger, the other side, this is the brown elephant, and he's taking a shower. Oh, look at all those wrinkles. I think he's underwater be too long. Hey, look at there. The father elephant is waiting for us. Will he spill water? Please don't. We don't want to get wet. Please. They're so cute. It is a bit dark here, right? Where are we? Look at the spiders. I heard that they're the poisonous spider in the world, and they can jump over 20 feet. And look, one more here is creeping. Oh. And there's some king cobras ahead. Yes, I think he's protecting the middle gate of wisdom from India. And they're far away from us, so it's okay, no worries. One more here is creeping. Okay, so after we pass this temple, we enter the true heart of the jungle. Look at many crocodiles like a wave of eggs. They're sleeping, are they? Oh, and 3 more lanterns. They haven't had breakfast this morning, so don't put your hand outside. I bet they're waiting for some hands out. Look at there, some gorillas over there. And then past this was the campsite of Professor Porter, but it seems it's now becoming their home. Oh, but here's Triphongkong. Whoa! He saw something! Oh, look, I didn't shoot any one of us! Oh yes, giraffe, and what else? Zebras, giraffe, and then elephant, yes! Yes, I heard that this elephant is only the number 2 most dangerous elephant in the jungle. And he's named the African elephant, huh? But he's only the number 2 because the number 1 most dangerous. Here! This is the most dangerous elephant in the jungle. That is his mother-in-law. Always the dangerous things work. Oh, something in the water, what's that? Hammers! Yeah, big hammers! I heard that they're over 6,000 pounds! Wow, look! Water is coming out! Ooh, big ball! The one over there! But it smells bad, huh? And look at those people on the tree. I told them, look, I killed them right away. They're not coming down anymore. Uh-oh, she knows, I think we've reached the headhunter site. I heard that they love to eat human beings. Be careful. Look at there. There's so many scales. I think they've eaten so many people already. Let's see what is there. Be careful, protect him. It seems like the one is here. I wonder. Oh no, they're hiding it. They're hiding it. Whoa, get out. No, they're taking us. Oh no, please. Please don't take us. We promise to bring them here. They're so close. Did anyone get hurt? No. No, they're scared. They got hold of the hand! Oh no, what's happening? Oh no! I think we're forced into the forbidden canal god. And I heard that this place is holding a lot of god of fire and water. And I think the anger leads the ball away. And we can't even get back. Oh, the